Okay, let me quickly show you how to use Grasp browser extension. And once you install the browser extension and sign up, you are ready to highlight the web. So this is my article, and whenever you come across any interesting quotes, thoughts, ideas, just select the text and you will see a pop-up, looks like Kindle highlighter. Then choose any colors you want. Then you can highlight. Let's see, okay, this is interesting, makes your initial users happy. And when you highlight the text, you can see all the highlights on the sidebar, and you can open and close the sidebar by clicking the browser extension icon here. Then you can leave notes. Okay, are you happy? Something like this. And your notes will be automatically saved. So when you reload the page, you will see highlights and notes on the sidebar, and you can tag like growth. Maybe this is related to founder. And you can also leave comments, summary, and thoughts, anything. Then once you finish reading and highlighting the article, so you can copy your all the highlights and notes to your favorite note-taking app. So okay, this is the old highlights, but this is my Notion, and if you hit Command V, you will see the metadata, title, URL, and tag, and also highlights and notes. And another interesting feature is that you can share your highlights with beautiful image like this. And you can choose color, and this looks great. So then you can share it on Twitter, Facebook, or download the image as you want. And the last three, you can see other people's highlights. If someone highlighted on the same content, then by clicking the highlight, it takes you to the highlighted place like this. And this is your user profile on Grasp. So you can see how many pages you highlighted and how many highlights you have and views got. And this green panel shows your contribution to other people on the platform. So and this shows what day you highlighted what and something like this. So you can easily look back or what day or April 7 I highlighted this content or something like this. And so these are the actual like your highlighted pages. And you can see highlights and notes and other contents from the same author or same domain. And this is kind of similar to what you saw on the sidebar of browser extension. And you can sort by filter by favorite, saved. Saved means saving from other people's content, like highlights and notes, videos like YouTube video, TED Talk. And you can actually like download your text file, CSV file, HTML file, all the data, freely. And also there's a search bar. It's a full text search. If you want to search about note taking from your past highlights and notes, you can see like this. And the more you highlight the content related to note taking, the more you can connect data or backlinks later. And this is a little bit overlaps, but there's a tag, so you can filter by tag like this: founding story or knowledge. Then you will get the unique URL. So when you share this URL, your friends or colleagues can see like content related to, let's say, knowledge in this case. So this is your user profile on Grasp. And this is the home feed. You can see what your following people are highlighting these days, like this, and see the highlights and notes or content related to your interested topics. Like these are my following topics, and the topics shows the content related to the following topics. Or popular is like a popular content that what people on Grasp are highlighting these days, like this. And by clicking like each user's icon, you can see what they are highlighting these days, and notes, something like this. And you can actually search like the topic or people from here. Let's say note taking. I'm interested in note taking. There are 31 pages, so you can see like the content related to note taking or knowledge, product management, something like this. And let's say note taking. And then the interesting feature is that we have a community page where you can see top highlights and their comment, something like this. So you can see top highlights and comments. And if you click the domain search, you can see what like the kind of pages people highlighted on this domain. So there are 15 pages found. So you can see top highlights and other people's comments by clicking each like links. And let's say I want to know more about the content from NestApps. So by clicking nestapps.com, and we found 40 pages. So like this, and by clicking, you can see top highlights like this, and also like highlights from other people. So this is the community highlights and community page. And this is how the home feed looks like, and home feed and the community highlights and community page looks like. Thank you.